Hi guys, it's me, Laura. Today I want to show you something that is used so often in this house. Not sure if it's used for the exact purpose of what it's for, but back in the day when I was little, there's way back in the day, we used to call these TV trays because we would sit in front of the TV, put our TV dinner on the little table TV tray, and watch TV and eat dinner if we weren't having dinner at the table. I know, sad thing to do, but every once in a while, mostly like on Friday nights, the parents would let us do that as kids. But did you know they still existed? Yes, and this is used all the time. In this house, not necessarily to watch TV, but how about think arts and crafts, think automatic side table during family parties when there's no like table at the end of the couch but you need a place for a drink, or extra table things for outside if you're having a buffet and it does its job. Or what about just the kids doing arts, coloring, grandkids coming over and you don't have tables that are their height? Ha! Ta-da! Look, it comes with a rack so you can store all the TV trays right here. It just lifts off, which by the way, it is a very sturdy. You open up the lid, pull out the leg, and I'm kind of crooked here, sitting wise. Voila, sturdy. Little wobbly, but not enough that it's gonna tip over. Of course it's gonna be wobbly. It doesn't have the four square legs like a table does, but let me show you what it does have. It has the crisscross action. And it is super sturdy. It has the back brace right there to keep it from wobbling as much. So you just pull up a chair right here. It is at the appropriate level to be able to do things. But watch, I'll sit up on the couch. So if you were up on a couch, it would be right at a height that a table would be. So super simple if you are needing it for glasses and such. Putting down a tissue box if one of your kids are sick and they need a spot next to their bed to be able to put the things. This is so versatile, so sturdy, easy to store up out of the way, and easy to put up and down. Pull it up, push the leg over, and it is ready. If you didn't even want to use this rack to store them all in the same spot at the same time, you can take this thin, nice, versatile TV board, TV tray, TV table, and stick it behind the couch if you needed it in a quick necessity area. It is sturdy, a little bit heavy, but not too heavy to carry from room to room. This is a win in my book.